In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to kind of create a form for students to fill out. This would be a form where they can't edit the text that you have written, but they are allowed to respond in the places that you'd like them to. So, for example, I'm going to make a form that asks them for their name and their favorite subject. Okay, so this is the text that they will not be able to edit, and I need to create a space for them to write their responses. So we need to go up to the Developer tab, and you can see automatically my design mode is ready to go. If yours is not, just click on that thing and all of these options, these controls should become active. So we have two options for a text response. The first one is a rich text, and the second one that is not bold is the plain text. So I'm going to do one of each so I can show you later what the differences look like. So for name, I'm going to do rich text, and you can see it comes up with a little instructional thing here. Click here to enter your text. You can actually change this if you'd like to give them some more direction. How about type in your full name, something like that. And then for favorite subject, I'm going to do the plain text, and I'm just going to leave the directions like that. So my form is done. I have all my fields that I want. So now what we need to do is a little bit of restricting. If you save it right now, the students will be able to do whatever they want. So the final step is I need to highlight everything. And now you can see that this group option has become active. So we need to click on group. We're going to group these things together. And that thingy comes up so I know that they're grouped. And I also want to restrict editing. So this option comes up here on the side. We can limit formatting. I'm going for allow this type of editing. I don't want any changes. So I've clicked that one. Exceptions, who cares? Enforcement, are you ready to apply these settings? Yes, okay. So now we are ready to save the document. I'm just going to put it on my desktop. Okay, so I'm going to close this out, and I'm going to go back in and open it up. And now you can see here's my form. As you see, I'm trying to delete the typing that I've done here for name. It will not let me delete. I can't do anything. You can see that the options up here are all grayed out. The students will not be able to edit this text, which is what I wanted. But they will be able to go into this little field here. So type my full name, Sam I am. And here's where I'm going to show you the differences between rich text and plain text. So this first option was rich text. So I want to also include a website, www.youtube.com. As soon as I hit space, you can see it's now become an active link, which is pretty cool. There might be other options in here. I haven't figured them all out yet. But you can also see that I can go here and change my color. I can change the size. But the only things that I can change are inside of this box. If I go to favorite subject, math. If I try to do another link, you can see it doesn't automatically highlight. It doesn't become an active link. So that's the difference between plain text and rich text. And students can continue to edit their responses. Even in plain text, you see I still have the options to change the font color, size, boldness, and all that stuff. So there you go. That's the basics for adding in fields, creating a type of form for your students to fill out.